Hi, I'm Jesper, and I'm the founder of calculations.tools. So looking at our FFMI calculator, also known as fat-free mass index, if you've ever needed to know whether your muscle mass is generally impressive or within natural limits, without relying on body weight alone, you know how important getting it right is. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use our FFMI calculator on calculations.tools, and I'll walk you through a complete real-world example so you can see exactly how it works. In terms of the formula, the FFMI calculator uses lean body mass in kilograms divided by height in meters squared, then normalized to a standard height of 1.8 meters. The formula itself has been validated by researchers and is used by professionals worldwide. So when the tool, this calculator, gives you a number, you know you can trust it. So looking at it here, we first have the calculator. We have the metric and the imperial system is just a toggle between them. In terms of gender, we also have for male and female. So you just choose whatever you need to calculate. You'll also need to put in your body fat percentage. If you don't have it or don't know it, just use our body fat calculator, and you can get that instantly. So you can just go to the page, get the body fat percentage, and then insert it here so you can calculate your fat-free mass index. So below the calculator, we have a lot of helpful content. I think it will answer all your questions, but at least that's my hope. So looking at it here, we have the formulas and everything down here, how to calculate everything, different tables with normalized FFMIs and so on, different categories. But let's do a proper example here. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's do imperial. Let's do a female. And weight is 156. The height is 5'10", and body fat at 16%. So instantly, by just putting in a few numbers, you'll get the FFMI. So in this case, it's 18.9, and it puts you in the excellent category. And you'll also see additional info below where we have the raw FFMI, lean body mass, fat mass, the BMI. So with just inputting a few numbers, you'll get so much info and accurate data. So this is how to use it. Just a pro tip here, because one thing most people get wrong when using these tools is comparing the FFMI scores without accounting for body fat first, and this inflates the number. So the correct approach would be always inputting your most accurate body fat estimate. So the FFMI is calculated from lean mass, so a rough guess throws the result off. So just take an extra 5 to 10 seconds to get the input right, and the output will be spot on every single time. Our FFMI calculator is completely free. At calculations.tools, no account, no sign up, no paywall results. If you do have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I'll get to them right away.